Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Create a free Flutterflow account and verify your email to begin building projects. Open the dashboard and click New Project to start a workspace. Choose a template for faster setup or pick a blank app for full control. Name your project clearly so you can find it later. Learn the three main areas: Canvas, Widget Tree, and Property Panel to navigate the editor. Click a widget on the canvas to reveal its properties and styles. Save often and use version history to restore earlier iterations if needed. Drag widgets from the left panel to the canvas to build screens visually. Use containers, columns, and rows to define the structure of each screen. Select an item and adjust padding, margin, alignment, and size in the Property panel. Nest widgets in the widget tree to create complex layouts and reusable components. Add images, icons, and custom fonts to match your brand guidelines and visual identity. Test responsiveness by switching device previews to mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Name screens and components consistently to improve organization and future maintenance. Connect Firestore or REST APIs for backend data, then map collections to widgets. Create queries to retrieve lists, apply filters, and paginate results for performance. Use actions to handle taps, navigate between screens, and show dialogues or snack bars for feedback. Configure authentication flows, including email password login and third-party providers for user access. Test forms and CRUD operations to ensure validation and error handling work correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.